How to turn on message delivered tick marks on iPhone. To get started, open up the Facebook application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Facebook homepage where you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the Messenger icon. You will then be taken to the Facebook Messenger app. Here, you can view all your chats with friends. Go to the bottom right corner and tap on Menu. Then, go to Settings. Here, tap on Active Status. And then, turn on the Show when you're active switch. Your friends and connections can now see when you're active or recently active on this profile. You can see this info about them too. Following these steps, you can easily turn on message delivered tick marks on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.